Good morning, ma'am.
Devansh, let's wait for other students to join. Devansh, beta, I shared unseen passage last time with your class. Have you done the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you done that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you want me to discuss the questions of that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's do it. What was the first question?
Ma'am, I'm seeing.
Yes, open it. Okay, the first question was, the Barrack hospital was not in a dash. What is the answer? Okay, more students are joining. I think we should wait for a minute.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm sorry for being late because there was some network problem.
Okay, no problem. Now take out the answers of Florence Nightingale Unseen Passage that we had done last time. We are going to discuss the question answers of it, okay? Yes. Beta, open your cameras, everyone.
Ma'am, please see I made a poster.
Yes, I saw it on the group. It's very nice. Is it related to any subject or you just made it like that?
Yes, ma'am. English comprehension.
Very nice, very good. Why did Athar leave? Okay, children, take out your answers. Come on, hurry up. Then I'll share another unseen passage. A very interesting story.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, take out.
Write the most appropriate options. The first one is, the Barrack hospital was not in a dash. Not in what? Tell me. Yes. Have you done it? Rishabh, beta, did you do all the answers?
Yes, ma'am. Only first one.
Yes,
Not
only?
first one.
First one you did not do.
Yes, ma'am. I do.
Okay, just find it out.
Ma'am, I don't know the first one.
See, the first one is written in the, okay, I will share screen with you once again, children. I'm going to share the screen with you. Where is it? Just wait.
Ma'am, only
Yes.
Ma'am, only 5 students are there.
Only who all are there?
5 students only, ma'am.
Just wait, children, just wait after there. Yes. You're saying very less students are there today. This is what are you saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, there are very less students. Why? Why do you think there are so less students today?
Ma'am, I like that their action.
Ma'am, I think they are thinking that today is holiday.
Why are they thinking that today is a holiday? What is today? What is today? Today, it is something today?
Ma'am, today is 13 October and ma'am 14th and 15 October have our holiday festival.
Yes. And today also in many families, we have Ashtami Pujan. So that is why probably this is the reason why they have not joined.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, on 15th October, I will send you one card. Please see my card.
Definitely, beta. I'll definitely see your card. Okay, now coming on to the first question. See, the Barak hospital was not in a dash. This answer you're going to find in the first paragraph. Now, everybody read the first paragraph once again. And in third
Ma'am,
line, the
please zoom
answer
in.
is hidden. The answer is hidden in the third line.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please zoom.
Zoom. Check.
Yes, ma'am, it is not. It is now, ma'am. It is
Now it
clear.
is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the one who will tell me the answer first will be the winner. The
So
Barak,
what was the question?
the Barak hospital was not in a dash. It was not in a what?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, yes, tell.
Ma'am, it was in bad shape.
But what will you write when the question is the Barak hospital was not in a...
Good morning, ma'am. Sorry for being late.
Okay, beta,
My
no.
first answer will be not in a good shape.
Yes. In the passage, it is given that Barak hospital was in a very bad shape. Now,
But ma'am,
in question, they have changed the language. They are saying the Barak hospital was not in a... So we know when it
Good
was in a
shape.
bad shape, it was not in a good shape. These little changes, you know, we just need to use our brains. Then the second one, collecting a team of 38 nurses. Florence went to, where did she go?
Ma'am, Scuttery. Ma'am, Scuttery.
Scuttery, very nice. She went to the Scuttery. Then the next one, the conditions at the hospital in Scuttery were
Horrible.
very good.
horrible.
Florence Nightingale is known as the
Lady with lamp.
very good. Now, fill in the blanks with suitable words. Florence Nightingale was dashed by the Queen.
All.
Ma'am, ma'am, honored. Ma'am, honored.
Ma'am, honored.
It's not
Ma'am,
honored.
honored.
Okay, beta, it's not honored. It's honored. We keep H silent. Honored. Then, by the Queen for her efforts to dash the nursing profession. To what the
Ma'am, develop. Ma'am, to develop nursing profession.
very nice. The answer is develop. To develop the nursing profession. Then the next, where is it? Patients dash her deeply because she was very dash. Patients
Patient loved her.
Ma'am loved her.
very nice. The patients loved her deeply because she was very, what was
Caring and helpful.
she? She was very caring. She was very helpful. Anything you can write.
Ma'am,
Then,
I have written two.
good. Okay. Now find word or phrase from the passage which mean the same as the following. Now reflection. Now which word?
Ma'am, shadow.
Okay. Shirsh beta. Now next one, please don't answer. See, In
Okay,
paragraph
ma'am.
2, they are saying there is a word which is very close to the meaning reflection. Now, what is that word?
Ma'am, condition.
Reflection. Okay, what is reflection? What is reflection?
Ma'am, shadow.
Reflection. What is reflection in Hindi? Parchai.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Comes on that.
Yes. It is parchai. We can say.
Yes, ma'am.
Parchai.
So, what do you think in the second paragraph? Which is the word closest to the meaning reflection? That is
Ma'am, shadow.
shadow. Very nice. Now, third one.
Ma'am, shadow.
Shirsh will not answer the third one. The next,
Ma'am,
sorry, the
why?
next one, tired. Now, what do you think? In paragraph 3, there is a word hidden.
Ma'am,
Which means
exhausted.
tired. Very good. Exhausted. Like, what is exhausted? When you feel very tired and stressed. You are exhausted. You say, I'm so exhausted today. It was such a tiring day. Yes. So, what is the meaning of tired? Exhausted. Everyone.
Opposite.
Exhausted. Exhausted.
Exhausted.
Yes, we call it exhausted. Very nice. Now, those who had not written any answer, please write it down and be ready for the next screen share. I'm going to share a story now with you.
Ma'am, today can you do an informal letter, please?
You want to do informal letter?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, this only.
Ma'am, only this one. No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, an interesting show story.
Yes, I'm saying we will do informal letter now in the next class. Whenever we have our class next, we will do that. What is all this coming? Okay, here is your next screen. Now, all of you will read this story. I'm sharing this story on the class group also and their question answers.
Ma'am, it's too big.
It's too big, but it's too easy. And you have to do it in the same way. You have to write down the meanings of all the difficult words you find in this paragraph. Okay, first find out the meanings from dictionary or from Google. Write their meanings and then you will do the question answers. I have already sent it on the class group.
But one day you will give us a horror story. Then we have to do it.
Yes, beta, one day.
Ma'am, one day you will give us a horror story.
Oh,
Then
you
we
want
read
to-
and then.
You want to have a horror story one day?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll try to search it for it. Search for you all.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is existed?
What is
Existed.
existed? Okay, I will tell you the meaning of existed, but where is this word? Where is this word in this paragraph? Okay,
Ma'am, majestic. Ma'am, majestic.
no, he is asking existed. Something that exists.
And that I have underlined.
Yes, beta, yes. There existed a well-known preparatory school. Now, first of all, you have to find the meaning of it in dictionary, beta. You have a dictionary? No? If you don't
Yes, ma'am.
find it out in
Ma'am, I know the meaning of existed.
yes, just find it out. If you don't find it there in the dictionary, then I'll tell you. But try to look for the
Ma'am,
meaning
please
first.
send this photo in class group.
Beta, I have already sent. Check. It is already
Oh.
there.
Okay, ma'am. Mama, ma'am, what is the name of the school?
The
Excuse me,
name
ma'am.
of the school is Llandaff Cathedral. Yes.
Ma'am,
Landis Cathedral.
ma'am, you have to write in the copy. Yeah, we can.
No, you have to write in the copy, but what you have to write, not the story. You just have to read the story. You will just write difficult words and their meanings in the copy.
Okay, ma'am. So, when I was 7, leave the village and go to the boys. I would torture.
Ma'am, please see, I have this dictionary of my mother.
What is this dictionary? Show. Is it different?
No, ma'am.
It is
It is
okay.
big.
Yes. Majestic in size, huh?
Yes.
Boys about my son or land. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what is written this?
Where?
Ma'am, what is written this? I'm underlining.
What you have underlined? I can't see any underlined word. Speak it
Ma'am,
out.
please. Now, ma'am, you can see.
Yes, Llandaff Cathedral is the name of the school where
Okay, ma'am.
his mother decides to. What, beta?
Ma'am, what is after land?
Cathedral. Cathedral.
Cathedral. The school stood the right under the shadow of the majestic tree land.
This one is easy.
The school, the principal letter and waited me right away. By the time I was 9 and afraid to leave the court, I had made some mistakes that when I was to school, I would pick up the boys along with the others. After school was over, we soon the boys and I took them out across the village and for the little village itself, heading for the home. On the way to school, and
Ma'am, I have this one dictionary.
Okay, beta. So you found the meaning of existed or not?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, exist means that something is there, something present over there. There existed.
on
To
the
be.
way
Existed means to be.
No, we did not.
Now it is okay. Now it is clear, Pratyaksh.
We always
Ma'am,
Right?
please scroll
By
down.
good
Yes, ma'am.
fortune, there was a well-known preparatory school. You can say it like that.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
at the big glass full
Rishabh, beta, mute yourself and read.
Ma'am, I do not find the meaning of majestic.
Majestic means something very big and grand. I told you this is a majestic dictionary. Something very big and grand. That is what
So,
majestic
ma'am, the
means.
school is under a big shadow.
Yeah, no, shadow of the majestic Llandaff Cathedral. What is Llandaff Cathedral? It is the name of a church, and the school's name is also the same. What is cathedral? Cathedral means church. Okay?
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done. I read it.
You
Ma'am, I
have
read
read.
it.
You have read. Okay, fine. Now see, in the class group, I have shared question answers. Do from there.
Okay. Ma'am, what is lingered?
Beta, did you try to find it in the dictionary first? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
And you didn't find it there?
No, ma'am.
Okay, it means to wait.
Ma'am, please scroll it down. Ma'am, there are only 3 points. Ma'am, can you help me?
Yes, beta, there are only 3 paras.
Ma'am, the boy doesn't take any decision, but his mother take it.
Yes, so in the question, what we are going to change, what was the decision taken for the boy? Okay, instead of by, just make it for. Because the decision was taken for the boy, no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now please show the question answer.
Yes, beta. Now you will write down all the question answers in the copy. First write it down, then we are going to discuss them. All of them are, I think, very easy.
Ma'am, please show the question.
Beta, I have already shared the questions in the class group. You want me to show them here? But then this story
Yes.
will be gone. This story will be gone then. If I show you the question answers because they are on the next page.
But when we have read the story.
Okay. Now see the question answers.
Ma'am, in this it is written briefly, but they are very long. They are a bit long.
What it is written? Briefly.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, which answer is wrong?
No, ma'am, but they are long.
See, answer the following questions very briefly. So, which question do you think is the answer of that question is not brief? It is long. According
Ma'am,
to
the first one.
what was the decision taken by for the boy? That
Did
he
you say
that he should be shifted to a new school. So, what is long in this, beta?
Ma'am, we have to do all
That
7.
he should be shifted to a proper school. Yes, you have to do
no?
all 7.
Ma'am, can we discuss all the answers at 8 a.m.? Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can we discuss all the answers at 8 a.m.?
Yes, at 8:05 we are going to discuss all of them.
Okay, ma'am.
No, questions are answers are small, but questions it take time.
Ma'am, in the answer, we have to write full statement or just one word.
Beta, if it is required, like you can answer in just one word, answer in one word. And where the whole statement is required, write down the whole statement. Like how many decent friends did the boy have? So you can just write the number of friends he had.
And ma'am, in the second one, how far was the school from
Yes,
home? A mile.
one word. Yes, one word again.
Can I write the question in small?
Yes, Peter, make it small. No problem.
And ma'am, like the third one, what was the name of the school where the boy was admitted? So I can say easily write what was the name of the school.
Yes, Peter, yes.
Ma'am, but the name of the school is very difficult to read. Say,
Yes, ma'am, it was very.
It's just double L. It's just double L, no? Land F Cathedral.
Ma'am, I don't know the spelling of tetracar.
Better than see it from the class group. Just see. It is shared now. See on WhatsApp what is the spelling of it.
Ma'am, now can we discuss the answer?
Let's wait for 3 more minutes. Let everyone finish writing all the answers. Then we'll discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
One fourth, can we write 4 friends?
What?
I'm in the fourth one. Can we write 4 friends?
Yes, you will write 4 friends only.
Ma'am, 1 minute is left.
Ma'am, but I am doing the fifth one.
Ma'am, now can we discuss it?
Yes.
8-5.
Yes.
No, ma'am. I'm doing.
No.
Children, if you are doing it, it's no issue. We'll discuss it tomorrow. Like today, we started the class with the discussion of the previous passage. Pratyek,
Ma'am,
don't you think everyone should do the answers first? Then this discussion should be started. Hmm?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, other things writing happy birthday, good morning.
Whose happy birthday is it?
Ma'am, no one.
Where is he
And
writing?
ma'am, yesterday he was saying to me also.
Who is
Happy
writing
birthday.
this?
Ma'am, other thing, and ma'am, he was sending us videos.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what happened to you? Hmm?
Ma'am, he's sending to me directly.
Yes, that is why I can't see it. Athar, bache, have you done your work? Yes, have you done your work?
And ma'am, then I said my birthday is on 13th November.
Your birthday is on 13th November.
And ma'am, he was sending on yesterday. Happened birthday.
He must have thought that it's your, he must have forgotten it. No? It's okay, fine. Now done or still doing?
No, ma'am. I'm still doing.
Where does it go on? How many of you have Ashtami Puja today at home? Anyone has?
Ma'am,
Who has it?
ma'am, it is showing that ma'am, when I click on my camera, now it is showing that the host can only disable your camera.
Host can only disable your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, host has disabled your camera.
Why will
Yes,
I
ma'am.
host has? Okay, ask to start video. Now see.
Okay, ma'am. Now, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of decent?
Decent. How many decent? Okay, decent is well behaved, nice, proper.
Ma'am, can I write proper?
Yes,
Ma'am,
we'll write proper.
ma'am, ma'am, our time is, ma'am, it is more than.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of gazelle?
Now find in the dictionary. What does gazing
No,
mean?
ma'am, at the start, I have searched all.
You searched all, then what did you find the meaning of gaze? Gaze means what? To?
Ma'am, don't find.
Ma'am, it's time to discuss the answers.
Wait now, bache, let everyone do. Now where is this word gazing written? Tell me.
Ma'am, in 7th question.
Gazing, okay. We lingered outside its rather small window, gazing at big glass jars full of. Gazing means to look at.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice, very good. How many of you are still doing?
Ma'am, I have hospital.
Tomorrow is what? Thursday. Tomorrow, as it is, is it a holiday? Has it been declared?
Yes, ma'am, it's a holiday.
It's a holiday for how many days?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am, 2 days.
Tomorrow and day
Yesterday is
after
our
tomorrow.
holiday. Ma'am, yesterday is holiday. Tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow is a holiday.
Ma'am, tomorrow and day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow. Then we'll have class on Saturday, but we won't have it because I have to go to school on Saturday. So we'll not have our online class on Saturday.
And tomorrow, I think, and ma'am, tomorrow at the morning, we all go out to play.
Ma'am, I am liking.
And
ma'am,
ma'am,
I
tomorrow
like
is
that.
something that we go to others' house and eat.
Navmi, yes. What do you call that?
Ma'am.
We call
Ma'am,
it, I don't know.
Kanyavalva.
We call
Yes,
it
ma'am.
Kanchak.
We go to their house and then we eat it.
Yes. And what prasad you have? It's puri, halwa, and chole.
Ma'am,
Yes,
And ma'am, my
ma'am, tea
sister love
also.
it because she get money.
Yes.
And ma'am, there is kheer also.
There is kheer also. Okay.
Ma'am, I like it because all the friends, we all met at
Yes,
morning
ma'am.
because we all met at
Play.
मैम क्योंकि हम सब शाम को खेलने आते हैं पर हम लॉकडाउन में पहली बार सुबह आएंगे.
Okay, very nice. And the puja that you have tomorrow at your place, we have it today at our place.
Yes, ma'am.
Many of us do it today also.
Ma'am, yes, in my house it will be today.
Okay, very nice. So Pratyaksh, you will be missing your classes? 1 or 2 classes
Yes.
when you will have it? Yes.
Ma'am, what were you watching?
I
Ma'am,
was
not
watching anything.
too.
Oh, what is
Ma'am,
this?
this
I don't know. My son must be watching it. Venom versus Carnage. I don't know what it is.
ma'am superhero fight. I also like it.
Okay.
Ma'am, I made the
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. We'll discuss the answers when we meet. Whenever we meet. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Enjoy your day. Enjoy
Bye,
your
ma'am.
holidays.
Bye, ma'am.